Hello, I am at the beach. I am sitting on the sand. Where are you? At home, at the store, at the restaurant, at school, at the beach? Where are you right now? I am breathing in the fresh air, feeling the breeze on my skin and in my hair, listening to the waves in the background, walking on the sand, swimming in the ocean, and tanning in the sun. What are you doing right now? Breathing, reading, studying, working, listening, watching, watching Miss Honey, maybe? At the beach, there is a restaurant, a store, and a docking port for boats and people. There are people, there are corals, and there are fish. Where are the people? In the ocean or on the land? On the land, not in the ocean. Where are the fish? In the ocean or on land? In the ocean. And where are the corals? On land or in the ocean? In the ocean. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. If you're learning English online, like a lot of people in this community, you're probably spending a lot of time on the internet, watching videos, joining online classes, using public Wi-Fi at cafes, hotels, airports, or while traveling. And honestly, most people don't realize how exposed their data is on public networks. I've actually been using NordVPN for 2 years now. It helps protect your connection and keeps your online activity private and secure. I also really think it's useful for English learners specifically because when you're clicking on random YouTube channels or subtitle websites or podcast platforms, maybe language learning websites, you're visiting a lot of websites that aren't secure. NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro helps block malicious websites or dangerous downloads before they reach your device, so you can explore English content more safely. And another feature I really like is the Dark Web Monitor, which alerts you if your information has appeared in a data leak online. I also think it's useful because certain videos, websites, or content are restricted depending on the country you live in. With NordVPN, you can securely access the internet from different virtual locations, which gives you access to more English content and more opportunities to immerse yourself in the language naturally. And the app is super easy to use. You just open it and press connect. That's basically it. Go to nordvpn.com/misshoney and use the code misshoney to get a huge discount on a 2-year plan, plus 4 extra months for free. Another thing I like is that it's risk-free to try with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want to check it out and support the channel at the same time, then use my link in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let's get back to the lesson. I like going to the beach. Actually, no. I love going to the beach. Where is one place you love to go to? The forest, the beach, a lake, the city? Where? You are also studying English right now, right? You are. With this video, do you want to learn and speak English with more confidence? Check out my English community, where we speak together. I am sitting on the sand, but I am also waiting for a table at the restaurant. I'm waiting for the waitress to call me over and tell me that they have my table ready, available. I'm so hungry. I can't wait any longer. Are you hungry right now? Or are you full? Did you already eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner? And what did you have? I am walking on the sand. I am running on the sand. I am running towards the ocean. I am running towards you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed my comprehensible English video for absolute beginners, then leave a like. This video is for any English level. And if you want some more fun ways to learn English, then subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time, and I'm going to eat some sushi now. Look at what we ordered. What did we order today, Olivia?
Fried dumpling.
Yes, English.
Noodles.
Noodles.
And in the noodle, we have mushrooms, seaweed, and green onion.
Green onion.
Green onion.
Oh, and remember, never stop learning. Bye.